Hi everyone, so this is what to do if you'd like to check out your Nintendo eShop wishlist, just to check out if anything that you'd like to buy is on sale this particular week. For some reason it's not available in the actual eShop app, which I don't understand why. I feel like Nintendo should probably add that to make more sales because obviously like having to sift through every single thing that's on sale every week is just like, who's going to bother doing that? But anyway, this is the quickest way to do it. Well, the only way to do it as far as I'm aware. You go into your profile page and then you scroll down to user settings. And a bit short-sighted, guys. Then you go to check membership status in Nintendo eShop. And then if you go to the top, you'll see wishlist. So you can finally see what games on your wishlist are on sale or not on sale. So it's very handy, and yeah. So I hope this helps, and take care. Bye.